Good morning, students. Welcome back to our probability unit. Today we will be discussing about coins, right? Coin questions and dice questions. First of all, we talk about coin. When one coin is tossed, how many results are possible? We know coin is tossed. Coin is the best use for finding a result between two people. Every match we play or every game we start with a toss, right? And for that we use a coin. Why? Because two teams are there, and to describe between two teams, the best example is what? Coin. Because two results are there. So when we talk about a coin, when one coin is tossed, there are two results possible. One is head or tail, isn't it? But when two coins are tossed, or one coin is tossed two times, then how many results are possible? Sir, four results. How? It is possible that both the coins heads come. Yes. It is quite possible that on one of the coin head is there, the other coin tail is there. Quite possible that first coin is tail, second is head. And quite possible that both the coins have tail. Yes or no? So we can see that how many results are possible when two coins are tossed. There are four possible outcomes or four possible results. Yes? Then we come down to three coins. We have taken three different coins, we toss them together. Is it possible that all of them get head? Yes. Head, head, head. Then head, head, tail. On third coin it is tail, first two it is head. Then on first coin it is head, next two tails. Then first tail, second two heads, second and third. Then tail, tail, head, first two tail, one head. Quite possible tail, head, tail, and tail, tail. How many results are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different results are possible. When one coin, two results. When two coins, four results. And when three coins, 8 different results are possible. Isn't it? You can practically do it at home and identify the results. Now, this you copy it in your notebook. It will be helpful. There is a question also based on that. If you take a look at page number 310, question number 23. Page 310, question number 23. What does it read? It reads as, a game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting the outcomes each time. So, one coin is tossed how many times? 3 times. He says, Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. That is 3 heads or 3 tails. So, you can see 3 heads or 3 tails, Hanif wins the game, and rest of the time he loses the game. Question says, check the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So first of all, number of possible outcomes for 3 coins is how many outcomes? 8 outcomes. Can you see these 8 outcomes? Yes, out of these outcomes, Hanif will win when both the coins, when all 3 coins give the same result. Yes or no? So how many times is it giving the same result? It's given only twice. So number of times Hanif wins. Hanif wins. So Hanif wins only in 2 cases. When it is head, 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 or tail, tail, tail. That is how many times? 2 times. Out of how many? 8. Can you see that? He clearly mentioned Hanif wins the game if he has the same result on all 3 coins. So he wins only if it is head, head, or tail, tail, tail. So therefore, probability of Hanif losing, he says, losing the game. How many? 6 out of 8. Any of these 6 results, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanif will lose the game 6 out of 8. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. That is 3 by 4. Any confusion? So several number of questions can be framed on coin. Clear? It can be 1 coin, it can be 2 coin, it can be not, it can be 3 coin. Correct? Now we come down to dice. Important question. Dice. When we talk about one dice, all of us have seen a dice. Yes, this I am having a dice with me. Correct? It is showing number 6 on the dice, number 3 on the dice, number 1. I have a red color dice with me. Yes? On this dice, when I throw this dice, when I roll this dice, how many results are possible? 6 results are possible. All of us know those 6 results. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 results are possible. Number of results possible on a single throw of a die. But now, if 2 dice come, 2 dice, this is 1 dice, singular, but when it is plural, it is 2 die. How many results are there? You can see, you can turn around page number 307, figure number 15.3. Page number 307, figure number 15.3 for that. Please check. Please check that figure. 307, figure number 15.3. This figure is there in your book. You can see that figure. 2 dices are there. One is blue and one is grey. When we have 1 dice, it was 6 results. But when 2 dices are there, it is quite possible that both the dice is having 1, 1. In first one you have 1, second one you have 2, next one you have 1, again 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Can you see that? 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. How many results? 36 results. You can count them. When 2 dice are thrown, total results or total outcomes is 36. Clear? And the outcomes are there. You have to make this table in your notebook. Important. Several number of questions can be asked. Now we come down to the exercise referring to this question. Question number 24 first of all. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability? 24. So first of all, number of total outcomes. Number of total outcomes for 2 dice is how much? 36. We have explained that. Clear? Now he says, what is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will not come up. If I take a look at this figure on page 307, you can see 5 coming up how many times? You can see 5 coming over here. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5. And then 5 coming over here as well. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 6. So how many times 5 is coming? Yes, that is 11 times. Yes or no? Out of 36 times, how many times 5 is coming? 11 times. Second part, he says 5 will come up at least once. The first part, probability of 5 will not come on dice. Out of 36 times, how many times 5 is coming? 11 times. Yes or no? Correct. Out of how much? 36. So that is 25 out of 36. Correct. And second part, probability of 5 will come up. 5 will come up on dice. So that is 11 out of how many? 36. You can see the results over there given to you. 1, 5, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, 5 and so on. Understood? This was dice question. One more question is there on dice. That is question number 22. You have a table over there. And he says, refer to example 13 as we were talking over here. Complete the following table. Sum on 2 dice. 2. So sum on 2 dice. Sum means addition. So you can see the table. When is it giving us 2? Addition. 1, 1, only 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? I talk about 3, so how many times do I get 3? 1, 2, 2, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is also 3. If I talk about 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1 diagonally. Yes, so he says probability of getting 3. Probability of sum on dice is 4 or 3. So how many times? Only 2 times. Out of how many? 36. Which are the two results? 1, 2 and 2, 1. These are the two possible results. Any other result possible which is giving me 3? No. If I talk about probability of sum on die is 4. So how many times? 1, 3, 3, 1 and 2, 2. So that is 3 out of how much? 36. Same way. Can we continue? Probability of sum on dice is 5. So which are the results? 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 4. That is 4 out of how many? 36. Clear? So this is the table. I hope you can do this. Clear? So this is the end of probability. Rest of the questions you can do. There is nothing much. We have discussed all of them. They are simple questions. Please practice them. We have discussed card question. We have discussed them. Everything. All the kind of questions we have discussed. Correct? So please students, practice these questions. You can solve them very, very easily. Nothing new. Right? I will give you extra questions later on. Thank you.